Confusion persisted yesterday on the fate of All Progressives Congress (APC) candidates in Zamfara State as two legal giants offer the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) contrary opinions on how best to proceed in view of Wednesday's decision by the Court of Appeal in Sokoto. Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation (AGF), Abubakar Malami San, yesterday told INEC to abide by the subsisting Court of Appeal Sokoto decision, which effectively upheld the APC primaries in Zamfara State. He said INEC was without any option than to tarry a while and accommodate the APC candidates in Zamfara. In a contrary opinion, Mike Ozekhome, who is a lawyer to the Senator Kabiru Marafa faction of the APC in Zamfara, argued that the Court of Appeal judgment did not uphold the party's primary. He urged INEC to disregard Malami's advice and proceed with the elections as scheduled without allowing the APC to file candidates in Zamfara. Malami spoke in a statement issued on his behalf in Abuja yesterday by his spokesman, Salisu Othman. Ozekhome made his position known in the letters he wrote to the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, and the AGF. The AGF said his understanding of the position of things based on a petition by M.A. Mahmood, lawyer to the Abdulaziz Yari faction of the party, informed his February 13, 2019 letter to the INEC chairman, requesting compliance with a judgment and extending the time within which the APC should field its candidate in the elections. Malami added, "It is pertinent to note that the constraining circumstances that led to the delay in fielding a candidate were caused by INEC's refusal to comply with the Zamfara State High Court judgment, which upheld the said APC primaries. INEC had relied on a federal high court decision, which nullified the primaries. However, the Court of Appeal decision in reference has now effectively overturned this decision and upheld the said APC primaries. It is also relevant to reiterate the provisions of Sections 38 and 39 of the Electoral Act, 2010, which allows INEC the latitude and discretion to extend the time within which a political party may duly field a candidate for an election, where unforeseen circumstances constrained such a party from doing so within the stipulated time frame. It is therefore our position that shutting a candidate out of the elections despite a subsisting Court of Appeals decision mandating otherwise would lead to a miscarriage of justice and certainly not in the interest of giving all parties in Zamfara State a level playing field. Our letter to INEC is therefore in line with the subsisting Court of Appeal decision as well as Sections 38 and 39 of the Electoral Act, 2010. Ozekhome, who faulted Malami's position, urged INEC to proceed with its planned election and allow the feuding parties in Zamfara APC, who are current in court, to exhaust their legal options. He argued that while it was only Aminu Jaji, who withdrew his appeal against the judgment of the Zamfara High Court that upheld the primaries, another appeal by Senator Kabiru Garba Marafa and others was still pending. Ozekhome said the appeal court in Sokoto has scheduled a ruling for today, February 15, in a motion for stay of execution of the Zamfara High Court judgment, filed in the appeal by Marafa and others. He added that another appeal against the January 25 judgment of the Federal High Court, Abuja, which did not recognize any primary by the APC in Zamfara, was currently pending before the appeal court in Abuja. Ozekhome argued that contrary to the views expressed by the AGF in paragraph 5 of his January 13 letter, there was never a time the Court of Appeal upheld the primaries by the Zamfara APC as valid. He alleged that the erroneous conclusion contained in the AGF's letter was informed by the wrong interpretation accorded the ruling of the Court of Appeal by Mahmood. Ozekhome argued that there is no legal basis whatsoever for INEC to change its well-informed position by acceding to the demands of M.A. Mahmood San. The governorship, National Assembly and House of Assembly elections, no such judgment exists anywhere. INEC, however, said it received the letter from the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice demanding the postponement of the National Assembly,